Okay, so what I got here is a piece of aluminum metal inside of some boiling water. And I want you to think about thermal equilibrium here to start off. If water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, what's the temperature of the aluminum block that's inside that water? And it's been sitting in there for about 5 minutes now. Okay, so now time out with that. Over here, I have 100 milliliters of water at 21.4 degrees Celsius. Now remember, the density of water is 1, so 1 milliliter of water is 100 grams of water. So again, I have 100 milliliters of water at 21.4 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to show you the mass of the aluminum in the other video, I'm going to show you the mass of the aluminum, and I'm going to take my aluminum block that is at, 100 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to gently place it in this water. And what I want you to start off by doing is pause the video, and using all the data I've given you, what should be the final temperature of the aluminum and the water? So pause the video and figure out what should be the final temperature of both the aluminum block and the water. Okay, now here we go. I'm going to take my aluminum block out and I'm going to put it in my water. And let's see what happens to my temperature here. Now I should be kind of stirring this, but... And we're going to say that once the water stops going up, that will be our final temperature. You're going to need to stir again. Remember, once the water and the aluminum reach the highest temperature, or reach their little thermal equilibrium temperature, they're both going to probably start cooling back down to the room temperature. So we got to wait till we get to that highest temperature. Okay, I think I'm there. 27.7 degrees Celsius is my final temperature for that water and the aluminum. Compare that to the temperature you calculated. How does this compare to those? And then could you maybe think about some reasons why there is a difference?